What is UX and UI design? UX, user experience, and UI, user interface, are both important aspects of product design, but they refer to different aspects of the user's interaction with a product. UI, user interface, refers to the visual and interactive elements of a product. This includes the design of buttons, menus, and other on-screen elements, as well as the overall layout and color scheme of the interface. The goal of UI design is to make the product visually appealing, easy to use, and intuitive for the user. UX, user experience, on the other hand, refers to the overall experience of the user while interacting with a product. It includes all aspects of the user's interaction with the product, including the visual design, the usability, the accessibility, the performance, and the overall satisfaction of the user. The goal of UX design is to ensure that the product meets the needs and expectations of the user, and provides a positive and enjoyable experience. In summary, UI is focused on the visual and interactive design of a product, while UX is focused on the overall user experience and satisfaction. Good UI design is an important aspect of UX design, but it is only one part of the larger user experience. Thanks for watching.